plus $48,567 profits. That's the trading result from our commodity and futures trading according to COT data in week number 48. Welcome to Insider Week. In this video I'm going to show to you the trades of this week and the corresponding results. We started into the week with a portfolio that consisted of one open position, namely soybeans. Here we had 6 long contracts. At the end of this week we have an additional position in our portfolio, namely live cattle with 17 long contracts. Let's have a look at our trades individually. First market, live cattle. We trade this market for a couple of weeks now, and you know that market by now. And we received a buy signal a couple of weeks ago. On the daily chart you can see that we traded this market 2 times and now we entered this market again. We expect price to increase and we wait for our target price to be reached. Next market, soybeans. In soybeans we received a buy signal a couple of weeks ago. We decided for a trade in harmony with the seasonal trend. On the daily chart you can see that we basically traded against the daily trend. Because of that we decided to put in a large stop loss range. You can see that after we've been triggered, the price corrected. And so we could hold through the correction and now the price increased again and we are slightly in the win. Also in soybeans, we wait for our target price to be reached. Now let's have a look at our second COT strategy, the so-called champion strategy. As you can see, we started into the week with a portfolio that consisted of one open position, namely coffee, one long contract. At the end of this week, we have another coffee trade with 3 long contracts and we have a wheat position with 10 long contracts. In the champion strategy, we made a total gain of $48,567. Let's have a look at the trades that produced those profits. Wheat is the trade where we were stopped out very quickly. We re-entered this market this week and now we are waiting for our target price to be reached. Our trade in lumber is surely the trade of the year. As you can see, we were triggered with a very small stop loss range. And according to the plan, price increased in an impulse wave. This trade brought a lot of profits and that's why it is a success. In the coffee market, the price turned around in the beginning of the last week. So we decided to close this position at break even. After we've seen that price actually halted and then turned around as
to the
a upside futures trader or a beginner want to take the next step to enter this and trade want an again approach that with is a long replicable, where we
you can
have
find
3
the
long
link
contracts to our website below our YouTube videos and you can fill in your information, submit it, such that we can contact you in order to answer all your remaining questions. Let me now show to you how our coaching program works. For those who have joined our coaching program, the program lasts for 12 months and its plan is as follows. It consists of theory, simulated trading, and real money trading. After working through the theory, you will be ready to practice. Our coaching's focus is practice, as you can see on this roadmap. Theory is good, but success only comes through application. Overall, this week has been a successful week. How was your trading week? Write it in the comments, and if you're already there, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss videos about futures trading according to COT data. Thank you very much for your attention and we wish you all many successful trades for the next trading week. And as always, be aware of the risk because risk management is the key to success in trading.